Switching off Qualifacts CareLogic the wrong way means months of migration pain, staff retraining, and revenue disruption. So, the migration plan matters as much as the platform. Choosing the wrong EHR or moving badly touches every part of daily operations, from the first patient call through documentation, billing, and outcomes. If you are a current Qualifacts or CareLogic user weighing whether to stay or switch, here is how a structured migration to Behave Health works. We compare who each platform serves, the capabilities involved, and the migration path Behave Health provides, based on publicly available information. Qualifacts CareLogic appears designed primarily for larger behavioral health organizations, community behavioral health centers, and enterprise-scale operations. Based on publicly available information, CareLogic appears to target organizations with complex reporting requirements, multiple service lines, and larger staff counts. Behave Health serves the full spectrum of behavioral health organizations, from single-location programs to multi-site enterprises, clinical and non-clinical alike. An enterprise model can introduce friction that outweighs its benefits: longer deployments, more complex training, and potentially higher total cost of ownership. Extensive configurability often means longer implementation timelines and a steeper learning curve for clinical staff. Without an ERP layer, organizations typically piece together spreadsheets, separate software, and manual processes to run day-to-day operations. Behave Health combines CRM, EHR, RCM, and ERP into a single platform designed for faster onboarding without sacrificing clinical depth. When the treatment plan, utilization review, and claim all reference the same patient data, the risk of documentation gaps that lead to denials drops significantly. The single platform model is designed to deploy, learn, and use quickly, rather than carrying enterprise implementation overhead. Behave Health provides a structured migration path so the transition does not disrupt your operations or revenue cycle. Here are the 3 pieces. The goal is a switch that protects both daily operations and the revenue cycle. Let us walk through all 3. First, data migration. Behave Health's team handles data migration, so your records move over as part of the structured transition. Second, staff training. The migration includes staff training, so clinical and operational teams are ready on the new platform, rather than learning under pressure. Third, parallel go-live support. Parallel go-live support is designed so the transition does not disrupt your operations or revenue cycle during the switch. Behave Health's EHR is built for the clinical workflows behavioral health and addiction treatment programs require. ASAM criteria assessments for level of care placement, plus COWS and CIWA scoring for safe withdrawal management. E-prescribing via Doctor First with full EPCS support for controlled substances, medication inventory, and medication pass workflows. Outcomes tracking uses validated instruments, including PHQ-9, GAD-7, and CSSRS, plus NAATP Force. The ERP layer is where the difference is most visible. Operational tools that per the source do not appear in CareLogic. Property management, vehicle management for transport, HR and credentialing, and maintenance scheduling live in the same platform as the EHR. Behave Health is designed to support the full continuum, including recovery residences and sober living, which the source notes is not apparent in CareLogic. Common reasons organizations explore Qualifacts and CareLogic alternatives, according to the guide. Wanting a modern, all-in-one platform that combines CRM, EHR, RCM, and ERP in a single system. Needing a dedicated admissions CRM with lead tracking and referral analytics built for speed to admission. Expanding into private pay residential or addiction treatment, or wanting operational tools in the same platform as the EHR. Behave Health integrates RCM directly into the clinical workflow, so documentation supports billing from the point of care rather than being reconstructed after the fact. Eligibility verification, electronic claims submission and tracking, ERA and EOB processing, and denial management with appeal workflows. Utilization review documentation pulls clinical data directly from the treatment plan to support medical necessity. Online patient applications, instant verification of benefits, lead and referral tracking, and census management are designed to compress the time to admission. Stop letting migration pain disrupt operations. Book a 20-minute demo of the structured CareLogic migration path at behavehealth.com. See the all-in-one platform and the data migration, training, and parallel go-live support at behavehealth.com.